Welcome back. One thing that you'll have to get used to as a Zooz owner is the compliments. You will get stopped all the time on the street and asked about the bike. And so I put together a little video of some examples of that happened to me while I had the video recording. Enjoy. Thank you.
Yo, that's fucking beautiful. What's the company?
It's called Zooz.
Zooz?
Z-O-O-Z.
Z-O-O-Z.
Yeah, that's one too. Same bike.
Man, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
I used to have the BMXs. I thought you were riding BMXs at first.
Yeah.
I was like,
It takes me back. It reminds me of being a kid.
Right? Say it one more time.
Zooz.
Spell it.
Z-O-O-Z. You know down on Division, it's called The Shop?
Yeah.
The Shop, they have them in there. You can check them out. They'll let you test ride them too.
Oh, yeah?
They range from like 1,500 to 3,000, probably even more. But I get everywhere way fast.
Oh, it's electric, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's concealed electric.
Yeah, it's very low key. Yeah. I got 80s BMX style.
That's cool. How much is this bike?
They range like between like 1,800 and 3,000 depending on.
Can I try it out?
No.
I want to buy one. I don't want to stay in your bike.
No, it's fine. We're actually just on our way into the park. So.
How fast does it go?
30.
30? Oh, so it goes faster than the other ones I've tried.
Yeah.
What's the brand of that bike?
Zooz.
Zooz?
Z-O-O-Z.
Have a go, brother.
You too, man. What's up?
Did you make that yourself?
No, this is a new company called Zooz.
Zooz?
Yeah, Z-O-O-Z.
Z-O-O-Z.
Yeah.
And they sell the battery too?
Yeah, the battery comes with.
Any type of bike?
No, they have a custom frame. It's all
Oh, you got the bike too?
yeah.
Oh, I thought you just bought the...
No, I didn't just rig it. Yeah.
So it's Zeus, right?
Yeah.
That was so cool.
Yeah, they're fun, man. They
Yeah,
take me
it
back to BMX, old school BMX.
Right. And it looks like it's you can put like a little kid there.
Yeah,
maybe.
definitely. People definitely
Thanks,
ride to it.
boss.
You got it, man. Have a good
Take
day.
care.
Cool bike.
I like yours too.
Game recognized game.
When did we go to Zoozers?
Yeah.
Zooz gang.
Let's grab a table or something.
How you doing? Vinny.
Nemo,
Nice to meet you.
And it's like,
What's up, Vinny?
What's up, Chad?
Nice to meet you.
Alright, nice to
Cool
meet
bike.
yeah, I like the Zooz, bro. Fast.
Bro, stop playing. You never rode a Zooz before.
Those wheels are crazy.
Made that shit, right?
No, this is a company called Zooz.
The stock like that?
Yeah.
With pegs and all?
The pegs I added, the tires I changed the color. But it's yeah, it's called
It's
Zooz.
already freestyle, as in.
Yeah, it's like old school BMX.
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah.
I like old school BMX, big rippers. I'm a
Yeah.
Willie and this shit.
Have a good one.
And is top end speed theoretical in that, like, if you're going downhill, there's a freewheel and you can go as fast as you
I
like?
got it to
or is
almost
there
41.
anti-braking?
You got 41.
41, 40.9.
On a flat plane, this one I've gotten like 28.